Hi, it's Jess from Cook with Jess, and today we're going to be making cinnamon apples. Before you do any cooking, you need to make sure you've washed your hands. This makes 2 servings. You will need 2 small juicy apples, red or green, it doesn't matter. 1 teaspoon of cinnamon. About 1 teaspoon of golden caster sugar. This is optional, it just makes it a little bit sweeter. And a little square of butter. You will also need a saucepan, a wooden spoon, a chopping board, a sharp knife, but again be careful when you're using this because it is sharp, a peeler, and we're going to be using this apple corer from Jamie Oliver, which the link is in the description. Okay, so let's get started. So first thing you need to do is put your hob onto low heat. And you just need to let the butter melt. Okay, so you need to peel your apples now. They're peeled, perfect. Okay, so now you need to cut them into small slices. But we're going to be using this, and if you don't know how to use this, just make sure place the round part in the middle, so the stalk is just in the middle of that. Cut them into quarters. As you can see, I'm only cutting these ones in half as they are quite small. Okay, so now just give your butter a little bit of a swish round. Okay, so we're now going to put the apples in the pan. Okay, so now turn it up to about medium heat. Okay, so now you need to add your cinnamon. And just sprinkle that over. Now mix those in. Okay, so you need to keep these cooking until they are slightly soft. Okay, so you now need to add your sugar. So just to check that they are done, you need to just press them and see if they are soft. Right, so that one's quite soft. Yeah, just do a few others. Yeah. They are now done. Okay, so just take them off the heat. Let them sizzle down. And now serve them up. So now there you have it, your cinnamon apples. And they're still a little bit hot, so you might want to wait a little bit until they cool down, but they're really nice when they're warm, so I really recommend that. You can have them with ice cream, on crepes, waffles, whatever you like, with some cream, but I like to have mine with Greek yogurt, so I'm just gonna get some Greek yogurt. Okay. Perfect, some yogurt. Okay, so the yogurt does cool them down a little bit. So I'm gonna have a little try. They are so good. They're like heavenly. They're really nice. They're not like super sweet, but the sweetness of the apples, and I think usually green apples are a little bit sweeter than the red apples, so having the mix of them is really nice. With some yogurt as well, plain yogurt is amazing. Okay, so make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel and turn on the notification bell to get notified every time we post a new video. Also, make sure to head over to our Instagram at secular_productions and follow us on there. If you've made these, maybe send us a photo or, you know, comment down below if you've got any ideas what we want us to make next. So yeah, we'd love to see how you got on. So I'd like to shout out my friend Emily, who recommended this recipe and showed me how to make it. So thank you to you. So see you next video. Bye.